In this video, I'll show you how to center text in Google Docs. If you want your title, heading, or any paragraph to sit right in the middle of the page, Google Docs makes that very easy. You can center text using the toolbar at the top, the format menu, or even a keyboard shortcut if you want a faster method. To get started, open your document in Google Docs and highlight the text you want to center. This can be a single line, a heading, or multiple paragraphs. If you do not highlight anything, the alignment change will apply to the paragraph where your cursor is currently placed. Now look at the toolbar near the top of the screen and find the alignment button. Click it, then choose Center. As soon as you do that, the selected text moves to the middle between the left and right margins. You can also do the same thing from the menu bar. Click Format, then go to Align and Indent and choose Center. This gives you the same result, so you can use whichever method feels easier for you. If you want to work faster, there is also a keyboard shortcut. On a computer, the shortcut for center alignment in Google Docs is Control, Shift, and E. On Windows or Command, Shift, and E on Mac. One thing to remember is that centering text is different from adding spaces manually. You should not press the spacebar again and again to push text toward the middle. Using the center alignment tool keeps everything neat and properly aligned on the page. So, to center text in Google Docs, select the text. Click the alignment button in the toolbar and choose Center. Or go to Format, then Align and Indent and select Center. It's a simple change, but it makes headings and important text look much cleaner and more professional. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.